Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D CAD model in Autodesk Inventor. In this tutorial we will learn how to construct a twisted part in Autodesk Inventor sheet metal, or you can consider it a hanger clip. So this is a sheet metal part. From front view this is like this. Go to home, this is like this. Okay, at last we will see how to make a flat pattern of this. Okay, so let's get started. Go to new, take sheet metal part in millimeter and go to create. Now take a 2D sketch and we'll take the XY plane. Now take the line command. From this center point, we'll start the sketch. Make one sketch like this. Okay, escape. And the same profile we'll make at bottom with different location. Okay, now escape. Now go to dimension. Here we will define this dimension as 25. Similarly, the above dimension also 25, and the height here will be of 15 mm. Okay, now here this dimension has 25, this also has 25. Okay, double click this will be 25. Okay, and the height here will also be of 15 mm. Okay, now go to fillet command. Take a fillet radius of 7.5. It is half of 15 mm. Select this corner and select this corner. Similarly here, select this corner and select this corner. Now exit. Now finish sketch, and here we are going to take the counter flange command. Go to front. You can see our inner profile has been made. Now go to home. Here we want a symmetric profile. Okay, so we will take here mid plane, and from here we will take the dimension as 20 mm. So this will be half 10 mm this side and half 10 mm there inside. Now press OK. Now go to sheet metal defaults, uncheck this thickness. Here we will take the thickness of 1.5 mm and apply. Now exit. Now we want all corner rounds. So from here we will take corner round, and here we will take a radius of 10 mm. Go to corner selection, select this edge and select this edge. So I'll select this bottom edge, rotate and select this bottom edge. Now press OK. Go to home. Okay, so this will be the view. Now go to part 5. Now we have a cutout here. To make this cutout, go to part 1. Here we will select the unfold command. Take unfold. Select this as the stationary plane, and here click add all bends and press OK. Okay. Now select this face, go to create sketch, and here from here we will take center to center slot. We'll select this center point, and here we will select this center point and make a slot profile. Go to dimension. The width of this slot will be of 6 mm, and the centers are already defined. So this is a fully constrained sketch. Now finish sketch. Take the cut command. So we'll cut this profile and press OK. Okay. Now we'll go back to the folded part. So we'll click on refold. Select this as the stationary plane and click here add all bends. So this part will become as it was. Now press OK. Okay. Now here we will define the appearance. From here we will take this cyan color. So this is defined. Now to generate the flat pattern, just click create flat pattern. So it will generate the flat pattern of this sheet. Okay. Now go to the folded part. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a sheet metal twisted part in Autodesk Inventor software. So I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.